Just woke up. Let's get a cup of coffee. Oh, my phone's ringing. Alright, Jackson.
Yeah?
I just got a call from a farmer and he said his tractor is broken down in his field. So we need to go get that done. Grab your truck and your trailer and let's go get that tractor.
Alright.
Alright, there we go. He said the farm is on the highway, the main farm. Alright, let's go get this. Oh, yep, there he is out in the field. Alright. Oh, yep, there's his truck. Oh, that's a pretty nice truck. See that truck over there, Jackson?
Yeah.
It's a pretty nice one. Alright, so let's pull out in this field. Okay, that's a pretty big tractor. Oh, God. Okay. I'm just gonna try and pull in front of it. Hopefully this thing runs. How are we gonna get the trailer on? Because if it don't run, it ain't how are we gonna get the... I'm just gonna hop in it and see if I can control it and put the thing up. Okay, I suck, I backed up. There we go. Okay. So we have to get... Why am I practicing? Okay, let's see if we can... If there's... Oh, yeah. Okay, good. Alright, so we can't really run this thing because it's broken down, but I got my winch. See. Alright, let's see if we can hook it up to the middle. Oh yeah, we got this. Hopefully this tractor's not too heavy. Oh yes, coming up. Alright, hopefully the dudes don't make it fall off. Hopefully this trailer's big enough, or else we'll have to try and use Jackson. Is it big enough?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay,
It's perfect.
Let me disconnect the winch. Strap down. Let's bring it to the shop and go work on it. And then bring it back to him and deliver it back. Oh god, I just hit your trailer. Sorry. Alright, let's go out his driveway. Oh god, coming in too fast. Alright, let's bring it to the shop and let's get our work done. Alright, the brake's pretty good. Not the best I've ever seen. Alright, let's back the trailer up to the shop. Jackson, will you open the garage?
Yeah, but I just went a different way.
Okay. Come to the main shop.
I'll just cut through the gas, the car wash.
Alright. Let's put it in the big garage, actually, since the discs, we can't damage any of those. Alright, open the left one. There we go. How are we gonna drop this off? See? Hang on. I'll disconnect this. get a winch on this truck, and then I'll pull it off the other side. Where is a winch? Alright. Let's go this way. Sorry if you hear weird noises, that's just my brother raging in the background playing stupid Fortnite. He's really annoying. Alright, let's get this truck off. Let's get the ramps down and see if I can. Oh god, the trailer's already kind of falling off. Oh god, yep, I just closed it. Get the ramps down. Open. Okay, let's see if I can just try and like roll this off the back. Oh no, that's not good. Alright, it rolled off. Okay, I guess I didn't need a contract that rolled. Alright, that's as best as we're gonna get it. We need to fix that up. I guess I don't need that. Can I make it? Whew. That was close. Alright, Jackson, go turn your truck off. And then we can do this. Alright, let's fix this up. He said he wanted the John Deere color back, so we need to. That's a good John Deere color. Yellow.
I'll be fixing it. Just fixing the
Yeah,
trailer.
paint it John Deere color. Oh yeah, that's good. Rims. Get that.
Get different screws.
Good. Yep. Scrape that rust off. Good job. Good job. Alright, she's all done. Now we just have to grab my truck. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to hook that one up. That sounds like a really nice diesel. Okay, that doesn't hook up either. Okay. Let me get that down. I hate squad trucks, BTW. I'm only squatting that so I can hook up the trailer. There we go. We need to load the tractor back up. We got the windows replaced. We got engine serviced. So now we just have to get her back on the trailer. Let's just drop it off at his house. We should be good. Grab that. Okay, let's go drop it off at his house, Jackson.
Alright.
Alright. Let's bring it down here. Alright, now we just drive straight down. We should just drop it at his big shop. Will you open the big shop garage, Jackson?
Yeah.
Alright, let's back up. Right there should be good. Next, let's go. Alright, put the ramps down. Back her in the shop and we're good. that nice and straight for you. Alright, thank y'all for watching this video. This is my second video. We'll try and start doing more videos like this. And thank y'all for watching. See you in the next one.